Hello students, this is Shachi. Welcome to my channel Crack Chemistry. In today's session, some basic concepts of chemistry part 4. I am going to explain molecular mass and its calculation. Students, this topic is an extremely important topic for the students of classes 9 to 12. This is because all the other important topics of chemistry like mole concept cannot be understood if this concept is not clear to you. Students, before starting, I want to remind you to subscribe my channel for getting information about further important uploads, and press the like button if you like this video and share this video with your friends also. For other important videos, please check the I button. The link of these videos is given in the description box. Now come with me and let's crack chemistry. First of all, we will study what is molecular mass. Children, we have studied in our previous videos that atoms are extremely small. Atoms are so small that their masses cannot be calculated even with the help of most sensitive balance. The same is the case here. Molecules like atoms are also extremely small. Therefore, their masses cannot be calculated even with the help of most sensitive balance. So, we will apply the same concept here which we had applied in case of atoms. We have learned in our previous videos that we express mass of an atom in terms of relative atomic mass, where we have taken an atom of carbon-12 as standard atom. So, we can also express molecular mass as the relative molecular mass. So, molecular mass of a substance can be defined as average relative mass of its molecule as compared to mass of an atom of carbon-12 taken as 12. Or in other words, we can express molecular mass as how many times a molecule of a substance is heavier than 1/12 of the mass of an atom of carbon-12. I hope it is clear to you. And we have learned in our previous videos that the quantity which is equal to 1/12 of mass of an atom of carbon-12 is called as 1U or 1 AMU. Now I will try to make the concept of molecular mass more clear with the help of an example. For example, a molecule of CO2 was found to be 44 times heavier than 1/12 of the mass of an atom of carbon-12. It means the molecular mass of CO2 is 44U. I hope it is clear to you. Students, whatever points I discuss with you are written here in this slide. This is slide number 1, which is about the molecular mass. This is slide number 2. This is slide number 3. Now we will learn the calculation of molecular mass from atomic masses. Students, we can calculate molecular mass of a substance by adding atomic masses of all the atoms present in it. For example, let's calculate the molecular mass of methane. Students, a molecule of methane can be represented by the formula CH4. So we can calculate molecular mass of methane by adding masses of all the atoms present in it. So, a molecule of methane consists of one atom of carbon and 4 atoms of hydrogen. So, we can calculate molecular mass of methane as atomic mass of carbon plus 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen. We are multiplying atomic mass of hydrogen with 4 because 4 atoms of hydrogen are present in it. So, we know that atomic mass of carbon is 12. Plus 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen, which is 1. So, on calculating this, we will get the answer 16U. So, molecular mass of methane is 16U. Children, I want to make one point very clear at this stage, that for the sake of a convenience, we can take the rounded values of atomic mass. For example, you know that atomic mass of carbon is 12.001 U, but we may take it as 12 for the sake of convenience. Similarly, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008, but we can take the approximate value as 1. Similarly, atomic mass of oxygen is 15.995, but we may take the approximate value as 16. Now, we will calculate the molecular mass of sulfuric acid. Children, the formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. A molecule of sulfuric acid consists of 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen. So we can calculate molecular mass of sulfuric acid as 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen. So 2 into 1 plus atomic mass of sulfur, which is 32. Plus 4 into atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So on calculating this, we will get the answer 2 into 1 is equal to 2 plus 32 plus 4 into 16 is equal to 64. So on calculating this, we will get the answer as 98 U. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's take one more example. This time we will calculate molecular mass of sucrose. Children, sucrose is represented by the formula C12H22O11, and you must be knowing that sucrose is one of the very important ingredient of our kitchen. So molecular mass of sucrose can be calculated as 12 into atomic mass of carbon plus 22 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 11 into atomic mass of oxygen. So we will write here 12 into atomic mass of carbon, which is 12, plus 22 into atomic mass of hydrogen, which is 1, plus 11 into atomic mass of oxygen, which is 16. On calculating this, we will get the answer 12 into 12 is equal to 144, plus 22 into 1 is equal to 22, plus 11 into 16 is equal to 176. On calculating this, we will get the answer 342 U. So I hope it is clear to you. Students, one point I want to make very clear here, that like atomic mass, molecular mass is also expressed as AMU, which only indicates that it has been taken on atomic mass unit scale. As molecular mass is expressed as a relative molecular mass, it has no unit, but they are expressed as AMU, which only indicates that they are taken on atomic mass unit scale. So I hope this point is clear to you. Now we will calculate a molecular mass of calcium carbonate. Children, calcium carbonate has the formula CaCO3. So molecular mass of calcium carbonate can be calculated as the sum of atomic mass of calcium, which is 40, plus atomic mass of carbon, which is 12, plus 3 into atomic mass of oxygen, which is 16. On calculating this, we will get 40 plus 12 plus 3 into 16 is 48. So on adding these numbers, we will get the answer 100. So molecular mass of calcium carbonate is 100 U. Children, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope each and every point is clear to you. Don't forget to watch next videos in which I am going to explain extremely important topics. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.